Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs. Stein here, and I'm thrilled to talk with you on this February Thursday a little bit more about Black History Month. The month of February was chosen to coincide with the birthdays of Abraham Lincoln, the U.S. president who issued the Emancipation Proclamation in 1863, and also the birthday of Frederick Douglass, an American orator, social reformer, writer, and abolitionist. In 1976, under President Gerald Ford, Black History Month was officially recognized in our country. Currently, the White House defines it both as a celebration and powerful reminder that Black history is American history. On your screen here, you will see the picture of Amanda Gorman. This young lady has taken America by storm with her creative and influential poetry style. Amanda was named the first ever National Youth Poet in 2017, and she recently has graduated from Harvard University in 2020. She read her poem, The Hill We Climb, during President Biden's inauguration, making her the youngest person ever to take on this responsibility. Another cool fact that she was asked to pen and write and deliver a poem at one of the Super Bowls. Amanda is just one of the amazing influential people that we will learn about this month as we talk about Black history and its influence on our culture. Have a great Thursday!